worry about a lot less stuff when you go home in the evening. You're not worried about a guy who's, if they're working till 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night, you're not worried about them breaking down as much on the way home. You're not going to get a phone call that somebody needs a tow truck at 7 o'clock at night. My name is Travis Kent. I'm the fleet manager at Kent Companies. I noticed that a lot of the maintenance on our equipment wasn't getting done and just wasn't being kept up with very well. So I kind of took it on myself to start a program to get all the maintenance done on our equipment. Real early on, I found out we had set up, someone at some point had set up VisionLink and hadn't really followed through with a lot of it. So I started using that and realized that was one of our best tools to be able to track PMs and get a lot of the preventive maintenance done on our equipment. When my dad started his company in 1986, I think he started with one track loader and a dump truck and a trailer, and now he's grown it to a company that covers over half of Virginia. We have a lot of different equipment. It's a pretty mixed fleet, even down to equipment trailers and F-150s and F-550s. All of that's in there in VisionLink, and all the maintenance gets tracked. We had GPS on our trucks and the CAT telematics products on all of our CAT equipment, and so it was very easy to just start building systems and PM intervals in VisionLink, and VisionLink makes it very easy to just set up whatever kind of intervals you want. One thing that we noticed very quickly is that the more planned downtime that we had, our unplanned downtime dropped dramatically, to the point that early on we were doing road calls for unexpected failures on equipment or tire blowouts on trailers or things like that, and now it's a rare day when the service truck goes out. When I started entering a lot of the PM schedules, we got down to our trailers, which not tracked by hours or miles. We don't have any GPS on them, but I still wanted them to be in VisionLink so that when I pull up VisionLink, I can see my upcoming maintenance for everything across the fleet, not just things that have telematics on them. We do inspections on our trailers every 5 weeks. We have all of them in there, and they pop up as upcoming services alongside our CAT equipment and our trucks. We have bulk fuel tanks on our yard, and we have fuel filters for those, and we have a regular interval for those that's in VisionLink, so I know, when to change those filters as well. One of the nice things about VisionLink is that you can very quickly get into the operator and maintenance manual. So when you're setting up PM schedules or seeing what parts you need for PMs or what kind of fluid that your equipment takes, it's very easy to just access that directly from VisionLink. One of the other great things about VisionLink is the access to the telematics data. My go-to program is to pull up VisionLink, pull the GPS coordinates off of VisionLink, put that in the technician's work order, and then he's on his way. It's extremely intuitive. If you think that something's supposed to be there, it's probably right where you think it's going to be. There's a lot of customization options, and everything that you've done, you can always go back and edit it later. I just find VisionLink to be very intuitive.